So in this problem, we are told that the license numbers consist of 3 letters followed by 3 digits. And we want to know how many different licenses can be created having at least 1 letter or 1 digit repeated. So that what we want is at least 1 letter or digit repeated. Then the complement of that will be that we have no repeated letters or digits. Now, in our license plates, we have 3 letters followed by 3 digits. And so for a total, we have 26 for the first letter, 26 for the second letter, and 26 for the third letter. And likewise, we have 10 digits for the first digit, 10 for the second, and 10 for the third. Then multiplying all of those together gives us 17,576,000 different possible license plate numbers. Now, if we don't want to have any repeated digits, then because order will matter in this case, of our 26 letters, we want to order 3 of them. And likewise, if we want to have 3 digits that are not repeated, we have a total of 10 digits, and we want to order 3 of those. And so that gives us a total of 11,232,000 possible license plates with no repeated letters and digits. And so once again, if we have 17,576,000 total license plates and 11,232,000 that we don't want, then that will give us a difference of 6,344,000 license plates that we do want.